Hi everyone, I am Azhar and today I will discuss the second question of SQL on HackerRank. This question is query the name field for all American cities in the city table with population larger than 1 to 0000. The country code for America is USA. So how we will start? We will write first a condition. So we have to put the where clause, then we will write population because it is saying that population is greater than 1 to 0000 and country code is America. ठीक है, so we will write USA. Don't bother, I will explain this in Hindi and English as well so that you can understand it better. It is so to get the output we have to write select, and in select it is asking for name, so we'll write name. And now we will learn it and we hope that we get the good result. So it is taking time, let's wait. I'm sorry that we are not getting the right result. Why it is so? What it is saying? Because we have not selected any table. We have to write table as well, right? So this is the silly mistake which we do always. So this is the result we have got, and I hope that you have understood this lesson. Please subscribe and like my videos so that I can build the next video and I can get a message that you are liking me, and I will be motivated to give you the next new content. Thank you.